Good morning, everybody. So I am at the beautiful flagship Dior on Montaigne Street. There's many different Diors in Paris, but this is the first Dior, the very first one in Paris, and it is such a gorgeous boutique. So please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It helps me out so much. And if you want more Paris content, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's just DV double vanilla. And now I'm gonna take you inside Dior. Okay, so when you walk in, it's absolutely stunning. I've never seen a boutique like this before. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Those are the new Joy Lady Diors, the ones that are long. I tried them on in the other boutique on Saint Honoré, so I will definitely show that to you. Look at all of these fun summer colors. Look at that little crystal one over there. It's amazing. That one is incredible. And then look at this little furry one over here. It's a beautiful Montaigne bag. And then this video in and of itself is almost like a Paris street fashion, because everyone's fashion here is amazing. So much fun. I love this one. It's in the leather, the Booktote. And then over here, they've got the beautiful headband, bucket bag. This one is perfect for like a little picnic bag. I wish it came in a different color. Beautiful. And then this is from their new Vibe collection. This little, I guess you put your laptop or iPad in here. Again, some of the Joy bags. And look at these beautiful little mini bags. They're so cute. I'm just gonna zoom out. And then, I'm not sure how many levels there are. So just the boutique is like a museum. Look at that rose. Amazing. So gorgeous. And so this over here is the little Dior Cafe. All of their little, pastries. Really quick, I'm going to show you this gorgeous little sparkly bag over here. Look at the hardware on that. It's incredible. And then this beautiful little fringe one. This one here is so special. It's gorgeous. This one's like a little house. It's beautiful. There's these. Look at the little acrylic, almost like marble. These are so special. These little crop ones. This one is so cute with a little cat. Oh my gosh. And then I just want to show you guys this one more time. So special. And then a little close-up of this. The hardware is incredible. And this over here from their new Vibe collection. What do we think of the new Vibe collection? Let me know your thoughts down below. They also have some small leather goods. Okay guys, I don't know where that cut off, but I just did the most amazing street style interview with some women because the fashion in here is incredible. So I'm just gonna keep showing you guys the rest of Dior. I wanna show you guys the belts. They have all of these fun new hardware colors. I like the smaller ones, I prefer them. And I think they might have one that's a touch smaller than this, but I feel like they're very classic. It's funny because this is generally the same as the Gucci Marmot one, but the Gucci Marmot one feels so dated and I don't wear mine. Oh yeah, there's some smaller ones up there. But let me know if you guys feel the same way. Because essentially they're very similar, just this is CD, the Gucci one says Gigi, but I don't know, it doesn't bring me like that spark of enjoyment when I wear it. And for fashion, if you kind of feel what I'm saying, like if I'm not enjoying it, I don't like it, then I don't want to wear it. So I think I'm gonna sell that one. But when I first got it, I was so in love with it. Anyways, I'm super chatty today. The sunglasses, these are the new ones. Super cool. And this is the beauty area. It's beautiful. This is the jewelry area over here. And then over here, they've got the Bobby bag, the longer version of the Bobby bag, and this gorgeous croc one in the lemon yellow. So beautiful. And then I have to show you some close-ups of these. This one's got beautiful beading. It also has the gorgeous crystal details. This one is in crocodile. It's so stunning. And then look at the little mini ones. So pretty. And then I'll show you this beautiful blue one up there. I don't know what material that is. It almost looks like an acrylic. And then I'm going to head over to the other side. Guys, zoom out. And this green color is so beautiful. Those are the new shoes. This is the Joy bag. So again, if you want to see what this looks like on me, stay tuned for the next Dior vlog where I'm going to be sharing with you the Saint Honoré boutique. There's so many boutiques, Dior boutiques here in Paris. And then since I'm on this side, I think I'm just going to do a little close-up of these. I was surprised how much I loved it. It looks so good on. It's one of those bags that look so good on, and off I didn't really care too much about it, but now it's my favorite Dior bag. This is the Bobby version, but the one I'm talking about is this one here, the Joy, in this longer size. So, zoom back in. These women over here are trying on these beautiful Lady Dior bags. I love the color. They're great. And then let me take you and show you a little bit more. Upstairs is some ready to wear. This over here is some fine jewelry. Gorgeous. So if you're gonna go to any Dior boutique in Paris, when you come, definitely come to the one on Montaigne Street. This is, I know I keep saying it, sorry guys, but it's the most beautiful boutique in Paris. I haven't seen anything as beautiful as this. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like as you go up the stairs. So come with me. And then this is all homeware over here. The rose is so pretty. Sorry about the lights. And then over here they have some exotics. This one over here with the ombre. Baby one. This is amazing. This cute little baby one. This one over here, it's got some metallic on it. This one is a navy with some metallic. It's got beautiful iridescent hardware. This little baby croc one is blue. And then over here, Montaigne Bag in the box version. In, I believe that's ostrich. And this little iridescent one is so pretty. This is lizard. This little furry one, it's got a croc handle. And then up there, zoom in. And then over here, this beautiful lizard one. I love the pink on it. It's so beautiful. This little ombre one is gorgeous. I love the crystals on it. So pretty. And then up here is the little red one. This gorgeous little red one in the snake skin. And, oh, I have to show you this over here. This one is so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, the exterior of this place is out of this world. So I'm gonna cut to me showing you the exterior, and then I'm gonna come back in. So stay tuned, don't leave the video, because first of all, the exterior is gorgeous, but then I am gonna show you a little bit more inside. So don't leave just yet. And if you do leave, make sure you subscribe. But I'm gonna take you outside because I've never seen an exterior this beautiful. So come with me and let me show you the outside. So let's start with the exterior. It is beautiful. And then let me show you some of the handbags. So I have already looked, and there's some handbags from Dior that they don't sell, I don't think, in any other store. I'm not sure if they are for sale or not. This gorgeous little jewelry piece, the rose is so beautiful. So let me show you these amazing Lady Diors. I don't know if these are for sale or not, but the crystal detail on them is amazing. These obviously they don't sell, they're just for display. And then I'm going to show you each wall because it's so special. So for example, these bags over here, I've never seen, correct me if I'm wrong if you know, but I don't think this is for sale, this style. I've never seen this style in Dior. Obviously I could be wrong 100%, but it's really unique. I love it. It's got a little adjustable strap, the crystals on the buckle. These shoes are out of this world. And then look at this feather dress with all of the sequins on top. And then let me quickly show you some amazing homeware. These are suspended, as you guys can see. Oops, there we go. And they're moving. And then let me take you around the other side. So over here on the other side, this is the cutest thing. They're like these little doll dresses. Imagine having a little doll house for your child, or if you are a child. That would be, imagine these little Dior dresses. This is their bar jacket that they're so famous for. This amazing coat over here. So beautiful. The fashion is so good. So this one over here, this bag, I've never seen inside Dior before. So unique. It's so beautiful. It looks very vintage. And again, I don't think they sell this. I didn't see it inside the boutique. I've never seen this, so I don't know if it's for sale. It's probably just for the display. And inside they told me that this boutique is from 1947. I believe that's what he said, 1947. I might be wrong. I think I might be wrong. But anyways, it's the very first boutique. I do remember that. He said that this is the very first boutique of Dior on Montaigne Street. And let me show you quickly the other little window. These are so sweet. Beautiful jewelry. And these incredible chandeliers. So super sparkly. The fashion is just amazing. Oh, I love her outfit. It's so good. Some men's bags. And then over there, there's a Dior Museum. So there's a lineup for that. But yeah, there's also a Dior Museum. And that's another entrance over there. Some more men's jackets. And now I'm gonna head back inside and show you a little bit more Dior. So make sure you keep watching for that. But this is such a beautiful boutique, such a gorgeous spring day in Paris. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. And if you want tons of fashion content, you can also go on my Instagram. It's just DV_vanilla. And now I'm gonna head back inside. Look at this gorgeous little Lady Dior. Wow, that is so special. And then there you can see Montaigne Street a little bit. There's some beautiful ready to wear over here. Lots of metallics. This dress. Look at, there's even their hangers are so beautiful with the little star. It's beautiful. Kind of like a rusty color. And then there's this little cord over here with a polo top and the matching pants. This would be a really, I think, like a night out, a really cute night out piece. And it's, how much is the top? 1680 euros. Very fun. I love a cord set. Over here is a beautiful bar coat. It's gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for so much more Paris content. Make sure you're subscribed. It also helps me out so much so I can travel around to all these amazing cities. I love you guys so much. You can also follow me on my Instagram for more fashion content. I have tons of photos and reels. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Go,